Hey there, this is Khalid Electronics Medici. So today we are going to make this beautiful color changing lights which can change colors with the help of a remote. Let's see how.
So I recently bought this LED strip from an online website called Sunsky, and this looks kind of a very good quality LED strip, and at the back it's rated that it is a good energy saving LED strip. But today we may not be concentrating on energy saving. And apart from that, there are also a few ideas given how you can use this LED strip in your home along with the ratings and etc. On the front, if you see, we have the remote, the LED strip, the power supply, the control box. Let's open this and see the components. So this is the remote we get along with this LED strip with the connector, the power supply and the control box. As you can see, the control box is rated to operate until 6 amps. This has a connector for DC supply and an IR receiver along with an LED connector. The power supply is rated to give 5 amps, but it doesn't weight so much. This power supply comes with a connector to connect it to AC sockets. Next we are going to see this LED strip, which comes with a male connector and also a female connector so that we can connect it to the control box. While connecting the LED strip to this control box, we should make sure that the markings on the control box connector and the LED strip connector match. If they are not matched, there is a chance that the LED strip might burn out due to polarity difference. Now let's connect the whole setup and see how the LED strip looks. As you can see, the LEDs are quite bright. To mount the LED strip onto the wall, I am using this PVC channel with 4 clamps fitted at 4 points on this channel. These are L clamps of length around 1 inch. I use some hot glue to stick these clamps onto the channel. These LEDs come with sticky tape on the back so that they can be stuck to any surface we want. Here I am sticking these LED strip to the PVC channel. I cut the LED strip to the exact size of the PVC channel. I have stuck double-sided tape on the back of the power supply so that it can be stuck to the wall directly. Next, I cut and strip the input mains wire of the power supply so that I can directly connect it to the mains power supply wires coming from the wall. I fixed the channel onto the wall using few screws. The power supply is stuck using hot glue and the double-sided tape. I use some more hot glue to stick the control box as well as the wire just below the channel. Next, I have connected the power supply to the main supply wires and insulated the connections with some insulation tape. Before making the connections, I made sure that the power supply is switched off so that I don't get shocked. This is how it looks after setting it up. Before proceeding further, I have tested it once so that everything is working fine. Next, I have stuck an extra piece of PVC over the wires and the L brackets. This would help hide the L brackets and also the wire. Now for the final test, I have made the room dark so that the effect of the light is clear. Now let's test it. As you can see, the LED strip is doing great, illuminating the whole room bright and clear.
That brings me to the sponsor of today's products, Sunsky. Sunsky is an online website where you can shop for electronic items, cameras, accessories, GoPro accessories, mobile accessories, and there are loads of electronic components and spare parts of mobiles and other stuff there. You can buy LED lights, beautiful gifts which you can give it to your loved ones, and it has multiple and wide range of products which they deliver it all around the world. So it took only 4 to 5 days for the delivery, and I was pretty much happy with the packing and the care taken to pack the item safely, because I got it in a bubble wrap and it was very well protected so that the products inside doesn't get damaged, and they came in a very good state, and the quality of the products, as you can see, is quite good. The LED strip which I used in this video is from Sunsky, and as you can see, the quality of the light and the quality of the power supply and everything is quite good. And along with this, I even received a power supply of 12 volts, 10 amps and a buck boost converter, which I'm going to use in my next video or the later videos to make something else. So please check out the Sunsky website. I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you want to buy any of the products like the LED strip which I used in this video, along with power supplies or any other stuff like that, I'll leave the link for them also in the description. You can click them and it'll take you to the website directly. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, you might like some of my other videos too. Please check them out at Electronics Made Easy Khader, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.